video. Good girl, Tango, you want to say?
Wow. Dino store. You get it? Dino store, dinosaur. And you have Jurassic Park Discovery Center. Let's see what this looks like. So it's like a museum slash store. Oh, you can touch an actual dinosaur egg. Obviously, I know it's not an actual egg, but pretty cool. They're acting like they're working. Thank you. So we about to go into the experience
of a supposed baby dinosaur.
a photo with a baby dinosaur. Let's see. Tell us.
I said it's possibly real, but I don't think.
Why do you think it's possibly real?
Because of that. Why would they build all that? I think it's real now.
Wow. It looks real.
She almost gave your stuff away. Hi. How we doing? Good. My glasses are fogging up. I know. Do you have any questions? She's not at a staring contest. She's very good at a staring contest. Oh, little video. Good girl, Tango. You want to say hello? Good girl. Nice job, guys.
We are going on a Jurassic Park ride, so we put our ponchos on just in case. And my shoe cap. You said what?
I said I'm really scared of this one. I'm on a Jurassic Park ride.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. The Allosaurs and Zebras are among the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat.
Oh, look.
Jurassic Park out of control. It looks like one of the dinosaurs has knocked your boat off course. Knocked it out of the boat. There's a tour boat off course in the raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there.
Oh my lord. I was not ready for that. That was fun though. Did you like it?
Yes.
We asked the guy before we got on the ride. We was like, are we gonna get wet or not? And
He was like, maybe. And we just went a whole slide down and we splashed in the water.
luckily we put this on. We would have been drenched, even though I'm a little drenched already. Oh. Crashed into the other. What you said? You was what?
I said we got soaked the most because we were in the front.
Yup. And look, luckily I had shower cap for our sneakers. We would have had wet socks.
And these sneakers I got for my birthday and used them for basketball.
It looks like we in Jurassic Park. Oh, we're getting on that. This is fun. Look at the wings of the bird. Whoa! Oh, wow, this is awesome!